Let me be honest with you. AI is not coming for your job. It's coming for you, if you stay average. And I know you don't like hearing that, but look at your daily life for a second. You scroll, you consume, you delay things you said you'd fix. Because right now, there's someone using AI to think faster than you, learn faster than you, and move faster than you. And you're still waiting for motivation. AI doesn't destroy people. It exposes people who never learned how to think. And if you don't change how you think, you won't just lose opportunities, you'll slowly become irrelevant. And you won't even realize when it happened. But here's the part most people won't tell you. You don't need to be the smartest. You just need to stop being passive. Start asking better questions. Start using AI like a weapon, not entertainment. Start thinking for yourself before something else does it for you. Because in this new world, the difference is simple. People who think win. People who don't get replaced quietly.